Time for me to just stand up and travel new land. Time for me to just take matters into my own hands. Once I'm over these tracks, man, I'ma never look back. And I'm gone, I know right where I'm going. Sorry mama, I'm grown, I must travel alone. Ain't gonna follow no footsteps, I'm making my own. Only way that I know how to escape from this 8-mile road. Walking these train tracks, trying to regain back the spirit I had, before I go back to the same crap, to the same plant, in the same pants, trying to chase rap. Gotta move ASAP and get a new plan. Mama's got a new man, poor little baby sister, she don't understand. Sits in front of the TV, buries her nose in a pad, and just colors until the crayon gets dull in her hand. Watching colors of big brother and mother and dad. Ain't no telling what really goes on in her little head. Wish I could be the daddy that neither one of us had, but I keep running from something I never wanted so bad. Sometimes I get upset, cause I ain't blew up yet. It's like I grew up, but I ain't grown me too yet. Don't gotta rep my step, don't got enough pep. The pressure's too much, man, I'm just trying to do what's best. And I try, sit alone and I cry. Yo, I won't tell no lie, not a moment goes by that I don't pray to the sky. Please, I'm begging you, God, please don't let me be pigeonholing no regular job. Yo, I hope you can hear me, homie, wherever you are. Yo, I'm telling you, girl, I'm bailing this trailer tomorrow. Tell my mother I love her, kiss baby sister goodbye. Said whenever you need me, baby, I'm never too far. But yo, I gotta get out there, the only way I know. And I'ma be back for you the second that I blow. And everything I own, I'll make it on my own. Off the work I go, back to this 8-mile road. I'm a man, gotta make a new plan. Time for me to just stand up and travel new land. Time for me to just take matters into my own hands. Once I'm over these tracks, man, I'ma never look back. And I'm gone, I know right where I'm going. Sorry mama, I'm grown, I must travel alone. Ain't gonna follow no footsteps, I'm making my own. Only way that I know how to escape from this 8-mile road. You gotta live it to feel it, you didn't, you wouldn't get it. Or see what the big deal is, why it wasn't as still is. To be walking this borderline of Detroit city limits is different, it's a certain significance, a certificate of authenticity. You never even see, but it's everything to me, it's my credibility. You never seen, heard, smelled, or met a real MC who's incredible up on the same pedestal as me. But yet, still unsigned, having a rough time. Sit on the porch with all my friends and kick gum rhymes. Go to work and serve MCs in the lunch line. But when it comes crunch time, where do my punchlines go? Who must I show to bust my flow? Where must I go? Who must I know? Or am I just another crab in the bucket? Cause I ain't having no luck with this little rabbit's foot bucket. Maybe I need a new outlet, I'm starting to doubt. I'm feeling a little skeptical who I hang out with. I look like a bum, yo, my clothes ain't about at the Salvation Army trying to salvage an outfit. And it's cold, trying to travel this road. Plus I feel like I'm always stuck in this battling mode. My defenses are so up, and one thing I don't want is pity from no one. The city is no fun, there is no sun, and it's so dark. Sometimes I feel like I'm just being pulled apart from each one of my limbs, by each one of my friends. It's enough to just make me wanna jump out of my skin. Sometimes I feel like a robot, sometimes I just know not what I'm doing, I just blow. My head is a stovetop, I just explode, the kettle gets so hot. Sometimes my mouth just overloads the gas that I don't got. But I've learned, it's time for me to U-turn. Yo, it only takes one time for me to get burned. Ain't no falling no next time I meet a new girl. I can no longer play stupid or be immature. I got every ingredient, all I need is the courage. Like I already got the beat, all I need is the words. Got the urge, suddenly it's a surge. Suddenly a new burst of energy has occurred. Time to show these free world leaders a 3 and a 3rd. I am no longer scared now, I'm free as a bird. Then I turn and cross over the median curve. Hit the burbs and all you see is a blur. Make my road, I'm a man, gotta make a new plan. Time for me to just stand up and travel new land. Time for me to just take matters into my own hands. Once I'm over these tracks, man, I'ma never look back. And I'm gone, I know right where I'm going. Sorry mama, I'm grown, I must travel alone. Ain't gonna follow no footsteps,